円だよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
100、1000。
Let's write kanji.
100、100。This means 100. And this is how to write this kanji. 1、2、3、4、5、6。One more time. 1、2、3、4、5、6。
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi is based on Chinese reading and kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi of this kanji is 100, 100. Kunyomi is momo. We don't use this very often in daily conversations. Example vocabulary is mozu. Mozu is a name of a bird. Then let's see some word examples that uses this kanji. Onyomi example is 百科事典。100 means 100. か means subject. 辞典 means dictionary. This means encyclopedia. And this is how to use in a sentence. こっちの百科事典の方が熱い。
Next kanji is
1000. 1000. This means 1000. And this is how to write this kanji. 1、2、3。One more time. 1、2、3。
How to read this kanji?
Onyomi is 1000. Kunyomi is ち。Then let's take a look at the example vocabulary. Onyomi example is 1000. 1000 means 1000. And this is used in a sentence like this. この本は1000円です。kunyomi example is 千葉。千葉 is a name of city. ディズニーランドは千葉にあります。新しい言葉。100人 100 people。100歳 100 years old。1000円 1000 yen。今日のレッスンは終わりです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.